All right, let's pick up the examples where we left off. So we finished with adding and subtracting complex numbers yesterday. So now we're going to be multiplying them. So we're just going to run through a few examples of those, and then we'll be doing the division type ones as well. So 56, -2 plus 3i times 4 minus 2i. So what am I going to need to do with these? FOIL. So what is that going to give me then?
-8 plus, no, I'm sorry, yeah, plus 4i. Wait, where's outside?
Wouldn't it be 12i?
Yeah, plus 12i minus 6i squared. So that's going to be -8 plus 16i minus 6i squared, but
What does I squared do?
-1. So
So-
it's going to be plus 6.
So then we can combine the two numbers.
I guess you could have done that all in one step, but it's just going to be 16i plus 2, minus 2.
Yep. Make sure you do the i's at the end. Standard form. A plus bi. Um, 62 plus I squared. What is this gonna do?
Well, you can FOIL it, right? It's just going to be 4 plus,
Don't die on us, Ethan.
2i plus 2i plus I squared. So it's just going to be this negative. It's going to be 3 plus 4i. Right?
I think so. I'm just trying to follow you. Times 4. 2 times that.
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Sitting there trying to remember what she said because I was like only halfway paying attention, and I was like, wait.
Was like,
You did it again.
2i.
Waterfall brain. It's a new hair. Is it your new go-to?
It's just easy and it keeps my hair out of my face, so
It's cute. I think it's really cute.
thanks.
You're adorable.
Thank you.
I'm gonna use this as a desk, but someone's butt has been in this, so that's kind of gross.
Okay. 68. I times 2 plus 7i times 2 minus 7i.
I have a turkey sandwich that my mommy is making me right now. I'm so
Wow.
spoiled.
My mommy packed me lunch today.
All right, so ignore this I in the front. What is this?
Foil.
Something special.
Perfect square.
It's
Other
the
one. That was this one.
binomial.
That was this one. What is this one?
That's the it's
Difference of squares.
Yeah, that.
Difference of squares. So what is that gonna multiply into?
Something is gonna be like something squared 49.
So
I
2
think
and
it's
2,
gonna be
so
4 plus 49i squared. Something like that.
you got a positive and a negative one.
Oh, it's just gonna be nothing.
No.
Negative 49 squared.
49 minus 49i squared.
I was right.
All this is still times I. You said plus.
Same thing.
I squared does what to this?
Makes it
And positive.
So I times 4 plus 49, which is going to end up being what?
4i plus 49i. So 53i.
Yep.
Good job, team. I want to see the division one.
Are we okay with multiplication?
This is-
I don't need to do one that's like 3 things being multiplied. Okay. Sweet. All right. So find each quotient, write your answer in standard form. So this is where we're going to need the complex conjugate, okay? So 74, 14 plus 5i over 3 plus 2i.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't know how to do this at all.
All right, so what would the conjugate of the bottom be? 3 minus 2i, so we're going to multiply top and bottom by 3 minus 2i. On the bottom, what does that give me now? What is this?
9.
It's a what?
Difference of square.
Difference of squares. So on the bottom, what do I have?
9 minus 4i squared.
9 minus 4i squared. On top now, you need to do what?
Foil.
So what is that going to give me on top?
A big number.
42 plus, hold on. First, I'll say minus 28i plus 15i minus 10i squared.
All right, so then,
So that's going to be positive 10.
yeah.
So it's going to be 52 minus, is that 13? No. Yes. Is that 13?
Yeah.
13i all over 9 minus, oh, well then you can do something about that. So it's just going to make it 9 plus 4. So it's going to be 13. So 52 minus 13i over 13.
So then we need to split it so that it's in standard form. Okay, so what we need to do is, what just happened? That was weird. Okay. 52. What is going on? 52. Stop. 52 over 13 minus 13 over 13i. Okay, which that's going to reduce to just minus I. 52 divided by 13 evenly.
Nope.
I think it does. I think it's 4.
I'm pretty sure it's not, but I'll do it.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it is. Definitely 4. 100% positive.
I was sitting there initially like, no, like there's no way. And then I was like, no, I think it is. So 4 minus I is it in standard form. Let's do 78. Negative 3 plus 4i over 2 minus I.
Wait, are we gonna make the game today,
Ariel's not.
What the heck?
Failing our duties.
Who does she think she is?
By the way, Lorelai, Steve desperately wants back the wrap stuff for the ice
Okay.
that's in the bag with the water bottles.
Okay.
He was like, it's really expensive. Where'd you do
It
it
cannot
then?
be that expensive.
He said it's $60 a roll.
For what? It's plastic.
It's, we literally can get a thing of saran wrap.
yeah.
He
And
said
the-
it's tighter than that.
Whatever. Anyway, okay, you're going to multiply top and bottom by 2 plus I.
So I was just, while I was thinking about it, we need
Yeah.
to make sure we put that back.
That is sick.
I don't believe it. Anyway, the bottom's going to be 4 minus I squared. And the top is going to be negative 6 plus, wait,
I feel like there's better things we can put
Minus
money into.
3i
than
plus
$60
8i.
plastic wrap.
plus 4I squared. Then it's going to
He
be,
says it's a game changer.
Hope do you feel game changed?
no, that thing is like useless. Anyway, so then it's going to be, that's going to be, so then it's going to be negative 10 plus 5i over 4i wait, that's just going to be negative 1. So the bottom's going to be 3.
It's,
Sorry, it's going to be 5.
so then split up, that gives me what? You can reduce
Negative
it
10
in one
over
step.
5 and 5 over 5i. So it's going to be negative 2. Is it plus this time though?
Yeah.
Okay, that's easy. You know,
Yeah.
like that.
I like this. I like what everything reduces
I'm ready
your
for the home.
Me too.
We don't actually have to do this next one, but I just want to see what y'all will tell me to do with this one. 5 over 9i.
Ethan, you're up.
Your turn, Ethan. I did yesterday. Hope did most of today.
I actually have no idea. Is it the same thing?
Why don't you?
What is this?
What's the problem with the bottom right now?
The
You
I.
can't have I.
There's an I. So if I need to get rid of it,
Multiply it by top and bottom.
by what?
9.
We can do 9i over 9i, but that's going to end up needing, like, requiring us to reduce something eventually, so we can actually just multiply it by I over I.
That's what I was saying.
So we can just do I over I, so that's going to give you 5i over 9i squared, or negative 5 over 9i. So, anyways.
We're
Okay.
not gonna do this one.
Huh? Well, it was ended up being really short, so why not? You don't have to write it down. Okay. 27, 31, 39, 53, 59, 67, 71, and 73.